Hey guys, how you doing? Stacy here with Life's a Project. So today's project, I thought it was a neat idea to show you this over-the-door shoe organizer to organize things other than shoes. So you may have seen this idea. I first seen it a few years ago on Pinterest and I loved the idea. So I immediately went out and bought me one and started to organize my office and craft supplies. So you can see here it's just a organizer. You just hang it on your door with these little hooks that come with it. Super simple to set up, and you can see here I have things like my scissors and Sharpies, highlighters, different markers, little tubes of paint, tape, staplers, staples, thumbtacks, more tape. I have a lot of tape. And then I have things like paintbrushes and glue sticks, my rolls of Cricut vinyl. I can see the different colors that I have. So a really good way to organize stuff, and it's on the back of your door, and I don't use that space for anything. Your back of your door, you never do anything with it. So this is a really neat idea. I really loved it, and so I went out and bought me another one for my pantry door. So you can see here just things like kitchen utensils, ice tray, rolls of food saver bags, my food saver accessories I have in here. So stuff that I use, but I don't use all the time. I mean, you can definitely put stuff in here you use all the time. You could just really see what you have and get it out really easily. So stuff like my KitchenAid accessories, little scoops, cookie cutters, cupcake liners, candles, little tubes of icing, toothpicks, measuring cups. So all of these things would be like shoved in the back of a kitchen drawer, put in a plastic tub or bin, stored away, and then I wouldn't know what I have, and I would probably go out and buy it again, and I already have it, so that would be a waste of money. So these fit over the door, and I haven't had any issues with them making places on the door or making the door hard to open or close. So no issues there. So just a few ideas that I wanted to go over with you. There are tons of them, but these are just a few really good ones that I thought of that I wanted to share. So for any of you that crochet, knit, sew, seeing all your different yarn colors and threads, your different knitting needles, sewing needles, sewing machine accessories, really good idea for that. Kids toys, different, kids snacks, kids accessories. Kids have a lot of stuff. To put one of these on the back of their door for like kids hair bows, all the different color hair bows, hair ties, headbands, all of that, hair clips. You can see what you have and get it out really quickly. Snacks like crackers and little, gummies, those little fruit snacks. Kids can easily pop one out after they get home from school. Different tools, flashlights, screwdrivers, things like that. Men's socks and ties, you can organize those in there, and you can see the different colors and patterns you have. Cleaning supplies, women's jewelry, different bracelets and bangles and necklaces, just a really, neat ways to really store your things. So I just really love the idea. I have both of these hanging right now in my hallway just for the sake of this video, so I can show them side by side and you can see them. But they normally hang one in my craft room and one on my pantry door. So I just kind of did this for this video. But I really love the idea, and I wanted to kind of show you that because you could probably think of so many uses for one of these. So if you use this, let me know in the comment below, and if you don't, I hope you pick one up and try this out. So I wanted to show you also just how big these pockets are. You can fit some pretty good size items in here, and like I said, it's clear, you can see through it, you can see what you have and find it really quickly. And they are pretty good size pockets. You can see it fits larger items. So guys, that is it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I just really wanted to show you this to give you some ideas. I have been using this for a couple of years, and you can see it's starting to look a little messy. I probably could reorganize my organizer to make it look a little better, but I just wanted to show you how simple this is to set up and how simple it is to use, and it is a neat idea, I think. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.